Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to video editing or just getting started to Premiere Pro, you are in the right place. In this beginner-friendly video, I'm going to walk through everything you need to master in Premiere Pro. And I've broke it down into 4 simple parts to make it easy to follow. When you first open Premiere Pro, you'll see the welcome window. To start, click on New Project. Here, you can give your project a name and choose where you'd like to be saved. Next, you'll see the workspace, which can be customized to suit your needs. You can either adjust the layout directly or go to Window menu, select Workspace and choose the one you prefer. In the Project panel, you can organize your media by creating folders for your videos, audio files, and other assets you plan to use in your project. To add your video to the Project panel, you have 2 options. Drag and drop the files directly into the panel, or right-click and choose Import. Once your media is in a Project panel, drag your video clips into the timeline to begin editing. In a preview window, you can review your footage and select specific parts of it. By setting an in point, press I on your desired frame, and an out point, press O to mark the end. After that, you can drag the selected portion of the footage from the project panel into the timeline for further editing. To add more video or audio track, simply right-click on a timeline and select the option to add a track. Additionally, by selecting your footage and navigating to the Effect Control panel, you'll be able to adjust properties such as position, scale, and opacity, allowing you to customize this setting to your preferences. Here are some of the most useful tools for editing. Selection tool, this is essential for moving or selecting layers. Always make sure the correct layer is selected before making changes. Razor tool. Use this tool or press Ctrl S to cut parts of your layer, allowing you to split footage exactly where you need it. Speed and duration. To adjust the speed of your footage, right-click on a clip and select Speed and Duration. A window will appear where you can decrease the speed to slow down the footage or increase it to make it faster. Transition. To add transition between clips, go to Effects panel, then navigate to Video Transitions, where you can select and apply transition to smooth out edits. You can adjust the duration of transition by dragging it forward or backward on the timeline. Additionally, to apply effects to your video, go to Video Effects panel. For example, if you want to blur your video, select Blur and Sharpen, apply it to your clips, and then adjust blurriness in Effect Control window to achieve the desired effect. To add text to your videos, switch to the Captions and Graphics workspace. Type your desired text onto the video, and then in Edit panel, you'll find several options to customize it. You can adjust the position, color, size, font, and more to match your style's preferences. To adjust the duration of your text, simply drag the text layer on a timeline to control how long it appears in your video. Next, switch to the Audio workspace to add music and sound effects. Locate the audio file in your project window, then drag it onto the timeline. You can adjust the volume by dragging the volume line up or down on an audio layer. To make the layer bigger and easier to work with, drag the track panel down. If you want to adjust the volume at the specific parts, for example, lowering it at the start of the video, use the pen tool to add keyframes by clicking on a volume line. This allows you to gradually increase or decrease the volume at different points. Now let's add narration to your video. I use an AI-generated voice. You can record and import your own voice. After importing the audio file, you can edit it by removing background noise, adjusting ambience, leveling the audio, and more, all in Edit panel. This allows you to fine-tune the narration for polished final result.
Greetings. I am Galinda, a voice crafted for the mystical and the magical.
To add basic color correction, first switch your workspace to color. Then in a project panel, right-click and select New Items, followed by Adjustment Layer to create one. You can apply your color correction to this layer. On the right side of your project, you'll find the Edit panel. Adjust the various elements according to your preferences to achieve the desired look. Finally, it's time to export your video. Go to File, Export, and a window will appear. Here you can choose the quality of your video. I recommend selecting Match Source. For the format, keep it set to H.264 and then click the Export button. You're all set. Done.